سلامات حوات كم يكنيهم this is Airborne Cooking ناب channelنا قعب سلامتكم لو ما عندك عدو ما تاجش نرك متينا لنا زي حفتنا
عريام يبال
زي ما so لو ما عندك تاجن حسكنا لما تكن دلهم
Well, since it's the fasting season, you know, it's Oman Haji, we're making tofu. It's kind of like scrambled eggs. Comes in ayong kakahogala, Mr. You know, it's like silsigala.
كم silsigala kakahogala gina ito?
Gina ito. So we're using tofu.
Tofu, شهرة. مو بكا نبصر حخري أنا إن. So بحبار متعذبين. حري مبان حفتي نزخن سرحسي أنت يدل لنا.
Alright, so we need fruta comidera, which is 2 tomatoes. There's 2 guac, and then it's like 1.5. This is small, so like it counts of a half. It's 1.5 onions. Then there's zaiti. We didn't really measure it, but it's like as much as it, whatever, how much you want to put as for the onions, so however much you want. Then there's tofu, which is like aina atar. So and we only use 1 because there's only 3 of us. But if there's like more family members or relatives or anything, you add more. And then there's berbere to make it like the color darker because it's white. The tofu is white, so we want to add color to it, so we use berbere. And you can also use it's like like so it's like yellow. So I don't know. I think it's called like I think it's like clove or something. Yeah, but that's it.
Okay. So what?
All right. So to take out the tofu water, you like rip off the plastic part, and then you dump out all the water, and then you put it in here, and then you can use a spoon or like a karra or anything to like make it smaller to look like egg-shaped form.
Okay. أنت تقول لنا مايو تطرومش دحراشعو أب تجبرو فاركيتا وي مانكا تتقيمكم دمان نت كم ينقعهم شالو تقرصنا ينقعهم نخحز كم تجبرو مالتي فلنا.
Yeah, or you can use a scrambler like those egg things, and you can just like kind of hit it like that.
Okay. هجهم غير كم سقرص كاد مان نت ينقعو قرصي يحز مالتي كم زمسكبر كان. إذا تري والله هم ما عين عتر كم زتولنا تنحت مالتي دي نتنا عين عتر تطحينه كم زهونه مالتي.
جي الشجرتي قريت صناعية. We put it in a disti, and then we cut the comidera in small pieces so you don't taste comidera. You don't want comidera tasting food. Then we cut guac in small pieces, but also so you can see it if you don't eat guac. So yeah, and then we're gonna.
بربر كده ما كبربر يدلينا.
It's like a half or 1 out of a tablespoon.
Okay, 1.5 مالتي.
Okay, so we're putting the zaiti like together, and then we let the hawi on, and we let it sit for like
5 minutes.
No, like maybe 5 to 10 minutes, so it can get ready.
والله.
Yeah.
Okay, نحن 10 دقائق قدهم نقولوا تزيتوا إيشنات برامات.
The shugurti is done now, so we have to add kumidera. So bahasab, you know. Then you mix it. Like how much so 10 minutes.
About 5 minutes?
Yeah, 5 to 10 minutes. You know? So now we have to wait for a little bit. We put half a teaspoon of chow inside here.
حتى ما نكشكور.
It's chow. Okay.
Oh yeah, I mean yeah. حتى ما نكشكور chow. Yeah, that's what I said. ما نكشكور دبالو.
So okay. And now you put the tofu that we opened in here. So you just mix it inside here. And then.
Gotta make sure everything at you.
Yep, and you mix it around. And right now it's white, that's why you'll see the color change in a second, okay? Anyways, yeah, now you just let it sit and put heat on it for a while.
For about how many minutes?
For like 10 minutes almost.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're gonna add the berbere to make the hebri for the tofu. So it's ada kemesed, you know?
خمس تريور لهم سلسلة قاقحة مسيرة مالتي and next video دماني قاقو حطرا هولو كم ناي قاقو حرمان كم يجيكم تقولون ما هنسرح هنا.
Alright, then you add the guac on top of this. You don't have to put this many. This might be a lot for some people, but
قدنا يكون كلتا تقولوا ولا حنا تقولوا تقولوا ما تقول لا نتهم تقنيات زارو معلش.
right, then you let how we hit it. The tofu tawaddi hujji, so we're gonna put it in a bowl and we're gonna eat it with bunny. We'll show you that in the next area. But
አይ ማይህዋት መግቢ ከም ትሪኦ ኣለኹም ተዳልዩ ኣሎ እንታይ ሞ እንታይ ንበሎም
Adadalu.
አይ ኦራይ ማይህዋት ብጣዕሚ ኢና ነመስግን ንኣዳም ሓፍትና ንባን ሓፍትና ግዜን ወፍየነት ቪድዮ ክሰርሓና ማለት እዩ ኣብ ጾም ግዜ መግቢ የለን ወይ ክሰርሑ ንኽልና ይትበሉ ቀሊል እዩ ክትሰርሑ ትኽእሉ ኢኹም ካልኣይ follow ኣዳም ሓፍትና on YouTube and Instagram. What is your YouTube channel?
YouTube channel, Adam Asmorom. And my Instagram is AdamAraya_. Make sure you follow.
Alright.
Below.
Bana haftana?
it's on below and it's BASMEROM. So BASMEROM.
Alright. So comes through لهم مع t-shirt دماني مسيح حاونا بصراحة ليو بزل دهيد دمالو. So next time نحرر زخون نجار تلاليهم ناتو information at description أو خد صفوي. ناتو كترخبوا تخلي يخم زخون ما لا يكون كال نجارات كسر حالكم مخالي مالتي كالاي بابا سمرهم ماما ليتشان كي مسكون كم كتر فايدة لني سلت نجازهم you know you open your house كنت كملوا نعنا إذا بتعمل مسكين كالاي نزل channelنا تكاتاتورو يحواد دماني بتعمل مسكينكم حدش تهونكم دماني make sure you like and subscribe.
Share and subscribe.
and أبزلنا كسب مستقال فيديو نرخب أبزلنا يبوتها سلام فقرنا هؤسانتن نخلاتنا رحوس حدش عمت رحوس بعلت نقبرنا بساعة.
Ciao. There's stuff on your back. Yeah.
تدالي خندو؟
Yes. You have to be in the middle. I want to see now. Stop being ugly.
Are you recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Well,
You have your name?
Seriously, that is a waste.
I thought you said like and share. I don't know what I was on it. It's on the back.
I said
fool.
you're wrong.
No, it's on the back. I know that. You
No.
see the back.
Can you just a toe? Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
We smooth. Take off your hat.
No, I'm not gonna take my hat
Is
off.
your hair?
But
No.
Okay, Vanna, can you get a little close? Okay, that's fine. Good, good. No, good.
Alright.
Great.
Wait, guys, is it started?
Yes, it's already
Yeah.
on.
So what are we talking?
He's supposed to
أنا
start.
خبرت إذا
So
حطينا
we get
الشمع
cut it? Do
قبل
you
كي
cut it? Do you cut it?
يا أمنا
Yeah.
كاتس إذا حطينا الشمع
Your
قبل
mouse and that
الشمع
mouse.
بانا introduce yourself قبل كي صغر ماني
Wait, what do I introduce?
كيف أي مهوات كم زغري واتناكم بانا حفتنا آدم تعمينا أنا مسكناكن إذا توفو خمس راهمو أبتم نايت أم جزيرة نايت أم جزيرة أي مهوات كم زراهمو بانا
No, wait, restart, because I was like this.
أنا كم الجملة
1, 2.
حالي مهوات كم زغري واتناكم استوفو قليل اللي صار رحو آدم حفتنا بانا حفتنا بتعمينا أنا مسكن اتصال كم يجيكم
It's not
so
hard.
sorry. I am my what?
No, wait, stop. I was like out here. Okay.
Alright.
And